You know, when I go hiking, I just follow other people.
Well, there's no people here to follow, so we don't know which way we're going. Lana, you don't know which way we're going. Guys, this literally looks like a crime scene.
Whoa, what was that? Good morning!
That's
That's true. What's up, you guys? Sorry, go ahead. What's up, you guys? It's super early.
So, here's the thing. Lana and I are on a fitness journey. Actually, I'm on a fitness journey and I just need an accountability partner, and she has yet to join me. Instead, she would like to, I don't know what we're doing
Adrienne
today.
goes to the gym at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Every morning.
And then goes and films her show. I'm not waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
What are we doing?
So I told her, hey, on our first day off, let's go on a hike instead of the gym.
Lana and I hiking. This should get interesting.
I swear I haven't worked out in like over a year and a half.
Thank you to Verb for sponsoring this video. Okay, so let me go grab my bag and I'm gonna show you guys what I am taking with me. The first thing obviously is stay hydrated, people. Reusable water bottle.
Save
So
the
necessary, save the earth. A form of identification. I know you guys think it's funny, but I actually have to bring my passport with me. My COVID-19 vaccination record chart right here. Fully vaccinated people.
Yo.
Not to be creepy, but you should always have a form of ID with you, just in case. What are you doing down there?
I'm pulling out my forms of ID.
Where's your wallet?
I left it in the car.
Lana's bringing $10 with her in cash.
Just in case something happens.
If anybody else feels like, you know, you might want to refresh that deodorant,
Please.
keep some deodorant in the bag. I'm bringing my mask because even though we're gonna be outside, sometimes these hiking trails in LA can get super crowded, and if I see if I'm throwing this on. If
they're
6
not
feet. Also, under my mask, make sure that my lips stay
What? How much
Hydrated.
stuff you got here?
extra hair ties.
Yeah.
I do be starving on my hikes, so I brought us these. Do you want to have one now? We can have one later. These little Verb energy bars are everything. I actually am obsessed with this salted peanut butter. Oh my God.
Let me try this.
Just saying, it's the best flavor.
This really is. But the double chocolate's really good too.
But go for them. Go for the salted peanut butter. It's only 90 calories.
Will it pick me up?
Bomb. You have all the energy.
Let me see this thing.
So run up there. Okay, guys, I know you guys know that I'm caffeine sensitive. This does not bother me because it's actually infused with natural green tea. Each bar has the same amount of caffeine as like an espresso, but get this, you don't have any of the jitters and you also don't have the crash that you get later on in the day when you've had caffeine.
And I don't bounce off the walls.
Oh my God, because Lana,
No, it's not because
I feel like regular coffee affects Lana in a different type of way. Be honest, she can't stop talking.
Stop, bro.
Say the truth.
One time, I don't know what was wrong with me. Adrienne literally was like, what did you have today? The whole
You were
time.
annoying yourself.
Like, I wanted it out of my system.
So this is not that. Lana is legit taking her phone out to text them because these are bomb. It has gluten-free and vegan ingredients so that you feel energized throughout the day and just revitalized. That's how I'm about to feel on this hike.
Let's go.
I am obsessed with their trial kit. It's the Verb Energies trial kit, and they actually give you these 4 incredible flavors. These are their top flavors. Now I want to go see what the other flavors are that
I know,
aren't
they're
considered
gonna
their top because I feel like those are still going to be good. So again, with that, you get double chocolate, salted peanut butter, blueberry crisp, and peppermint mocha. Okay, so I'm checking to see what the other flavors are that we didn't get in the trial kit. I'm just curious because I feel like I'm gonna love all these. And listen to this. They have vanilla latte, bomb, lemon raspberry, coconut chai. I would be obsessed with coconut chai. Chocolate chip banana bread. It's a problem. And then red velvet is arriving this month, which I know Israel would be obsessed with.
We should stock up.
Click the link below to try Verb's free trial pack, which includes all 4 of these flavors. And guys, all you're paying for is shipping, which is less than $1. I'm literally gonna have to refill my water bottle. I drink so much water. Do we have something to catch our pee? So what if I have to pee? Should we take tissue paper?
No.
Or wipies.
No, use the bathroom before we leave.
Yeah, but what if I still have to pee on the hike?
Where are you gonna pee, eh?
Pop a squat and then use a wipey. You need to do like this while I'm popping the
No,
squat.
I'm not. I'm
You
gonna be
need
like,
to
guys,
hover.
she's peeing over here.
No, what? What is this?
You know I have everything in here.
Oh, this smells really good.
I really think you're gonna like this place.
How close is it to the house?
Like literally 0.4 miles.
Lana's the one teaching me how to drive.
You could
and she
drive
is
on the way back
worst
home.
driver of all time.
I'm not the worst driver of all time.
Israel's the worst driver of all time.
Exactly. I'm the
Then
second
comes-
worst driver of all
What is
time.
she doing? She's cleaning
She's
up?
cleaning up the squirrel from the roadkill.
Oh my god! Did she kill the squirrel and she came back to get its parts? No, for real, Bible. What is she doing?
Should I ask her? That's disturbing.
What was she doing? I can't look at stuff like that.
So there was a dead squirrel, and she parked her car and grabbed napkins and came and picked it up
And
and put it on the side of the road.
I'm just confused why there's a car on here. I don't think we're supposed to take our car.
Look, it
Like,
didn't-
people are literally hiking and we're driving behind them. That's a little strange, no? This makes no sense.
I'm honest.
We literally have passed like 3 different trails.
Seriously,
Red light
Lavu.
camera ahead.
Ooh, there's a red
there's
light
red
camera.
light camera ahead.
Guys, we're in the forest. How could there be a red light camera? Guys, where the are we?
Look, you don't
That's
have to
scary.
pee anywhere. There's a photo party here.
A who?
A photo party. I just want everyone to know
Frankie.
I bought brand new white shoes to come on this hike. Watch your head.
That was not smart.
This is William O. Douglas Outdoor Classroom.
Spooky.
No, it says
Golden.
Spooky Goldman Nature.
The Spooky Goldman Nature Center.
It's nice, right? Well, you gotta pick up your step. Let's go. You want me to wake up at 5 in the morning? You're doing this for me. Come on. You want me to be at that gym with you?
Okay, but where are we? I feel like we're on a dirt road.
No, it's
Where's
called
the
a
green-
dirt hike, eh? Oh,
No,
beautiful.
what is this? Wait, that's like barbed wire everywhere. Are you sure this is the right?
This used to be an asylum,
Wait,
and the people broke out.
no, for real. though. Is this the actual path? I don't think we're on a path.
Yeah, we are.
Why is there no way? This looks like it was burnt down.
I'm telling you,
Like,
it
look
was an
at this.
asylum at one point that burned down. What is that?
It looks like a lab, like a. That looks like an insane asylum under the ground, like.
A bunker. Well, if
No,
you
but
ever-
seriously, what is in there that? Guys,
It
I'm
was a
not being
fire
funny. This
station.
legit looks
Come
like
on.
an abandoned. It's like a warehouse.
It's leaves. Leaves falling.
Whatever. You know it sounded creepy.
Okay, so the whole thing is, I want to show you that little pond. I know
Okay,
you
the
guys
pond
got a
is really pretty.
waterfall.
I'm
We got
just
a
saying,
I'm sure there's a waterfall at some
the
point.
hike that's by my house in New York, we have a full-on stunning waterfall.
It ain't no Niagara Falls.
It pretty much is. It's gorgeous.
I feel like weekends should be hikes. Weekdays should be
The gym. Yeah, 'cause you have to go. Like, I'm not gonna go on a hike at 5 o'clock in the
No,
morning.
no.
I'll be out there in the
I'm not even
wilderness
going
with the
to
animals.
The gym at 5 o'clock in the morning. What makes you think I'll go hiking at 5 o'clock? Honestly, I need a compass.
To find out where our car is, Lord help us.
I should have pinned it, right? You know when I go hiking, I just follow other people.
Well, there's no people here to follow, so we don't know where the
Let's go this way. I believe in us. Come on. I believe.
Why do you have your hands behind your back like
Oh, I
that, like
don't
you're in a monastery? Quite
Excuse me, do you know where the pond is? The pond? I don't know. We had a neighbor that only walked like this, I swear.
Is that where you're getting that from?
Okay, you're going the wrong way.
Wait, for real, he could hit somebody.
He
It's a
could
one
kill.
way.
Yeah, there's no way him in another car.
I don't even have a driver's license, and I know that.
We're going on this hike backwards because our camera girl Ashley refuses to walk backwards. So
we're
here we
walking
are.
too
We have
quickly.
no idea what's behind us. So Ashley, warn us.
I actually do know what's behind me. Ashley, stop walking so fast. So you know, really excited to be here in this desert. Guys, this literally looks like a crime scene. I'm hungry. Me too. You want to have a snack?
Yo, only us. We came to the hike and we have a bunch of snacks we're doing. Take this cute photo for the gram.
Well, guys, Halloween is coming up, and I was actually thinking of doing it right here. Like, what?
We
Guys,
could do a haunted maze.
There's legit barbed wire everywhere. Why? Where's the one?
It's kids. Kids are on this. Hello!
Are you okay? It's kind of creepy. Well, at least we got out and did like a nice walk.
I love nature. There's actually so many trails in LA. This one was just the closest, but
It's actually really beautiful. We just keep going into the strangest little corners.
no, because you want to explore off
No.
the trail.
Lana, you don't know which way we're going.
No, I know. It's wherever everyone else
Keep
is
taking
going.
me to the barbed wire. You can see everything's like burnt.
Whoa! What was that? Whoa! I got a splinter, guys. Can you help me?
We've been walking for quite some time. We're finally making it to the river, the pond, whatever
This is such a cute
body of water right there. Those are the animals. This Bible, this is gorgeous. This is like really beautiful. Okay, so how do we get down here is the question.
We take a step.
Oh yeah, there's like these little steps right here.
Be careful.
Lana just fell, you guys. Wait, for real, what just happened?
I missed a step.
How?
I didn't see it. I was on my phone.
She's too busy on her phone posting on Instagram.
Careful.
We finally made it to the pond. We walked for quite some time to get here. And now, okay, coming down. Guys, look how gorgeous
That
this
is really nice. I would just chill here
Bible,
and
we
eat
just
my
walked
little
through a
snack.
mad dusty area to get to something really beautiful. And it is really beautiful.
You want to just sit and have a snack?
Yeah, but look, there's all of this.
This is really
This
nice.
Bible, this is gorgeous. I'm like showing you me and you really should see. Guys, look how gorgeous
I want to just chill here.
and how serene.
You want to just chill here?
You want to sit? Do a little meditation and prayer.
Oh, let's do our devotional here.
This is actually really beautiful and a stunning place to do like a devotional. So I don't know what's happening here though. We're going down a little path here. We found a new little route. This is kind of cool. Like, I don't know where I'm going, but here we are.
I love hiking.
This is actually really cute, Bible.
I could do this all the time.
Oh, what's that smell?
What?
Something jumping around.
Careful, you're by
Oh,
this
shoot.
side.
Bible, there was something.
I think we should go back that way.
Yeah, but I want to see what this is down here.
We lost the water.
You not hearing this? Am I bugging?
It's called nature. You know, we're in an animal's home.
Stinky
I
area.
think the key is not to breathe in there. Rolling on set.
Quiet.
Quiet on set.
Okay, seriously, as stunning as this is, it is kind of weird that we still are in a city, in a big city like LA,
Yeah, in
Beverly Hills, and there is clearly construction going on, but it is absolutely a beautiful view. So we're gonna sit
It's a
here
beautiful sound.
and take a serene moment. We love you guys. Thank you for just coming on this little hike with us or whatever this was, this
And
little
never
nature
wear
walk.
White shoes.
Don't wear white shoes, brand new white shoes on a nature walk. With that being said, thank you again to Verb for sponsoring this video. Hope this encourages you guys to just get outside today, go for a little walk, do something good for yourselves, and take a friend with you. I love going on adventures with you, Lana.
Walk backwards. Come on.
All right,
Ashley
we'll walk
can film us
backwards.
walking forward.
All right, love
Walk
you guys.
backwards.
Peace
Ready?
out. Don't
Ashley,
forget
this
to
is-
subscribe. We'll see you next week. And hopefully that chainsaw will stop. and the hike continues. You almost hit a harmony there. I felt that. 1, 2, 3. And the hike continues.